Morning, everybody. First of all, let me introduce very briefly our company and the importance of the mussel cultivation and knowledge-related industry here in Galicia. For all the people outside here, Juan Luis gave the principal numbers, so we are going to go very quickly. We are New Mind, a quite young startup company located in Galicia, mainly dedicated to develop solutions related to IoT, data analysis, all kind of connectivity projects through our brand MOIRAI, and simple and friendly to use software for all kind of industries through our other brand called Delphos. For you to have the full picture of the importance of the mussel industry here in Galicia, we have almost 3,500 mussel rafts in our coast that produce around 250,000 tons of mussel. Galicia ranks second worldwide in mussel production, and of course we hold the first place in mussel production across Europe. Our main competitors in Europe are the Netherlands, Italy, and France, but all of them are quite far from our production numbers. As you can see, we produce almost as much as all of them together. The cultivation technique here is very traditional and manual. Even nowadays, we mainly use these wooden rafts with hanging ropes to seed and grow the mussels. In other countries are more popular other techniques as long lines and other techniques. We collect a wide range of data from different sources as IoT sensors located on board the raft that measures parameters like water turbidity, salinity, temperature, oxygen, etc. All kind of public open data as meteorological stations, Intecmar data, and so on. And data related to the aquiculture activity itself from a very simple app we have developed that also help to producers to track the growing and assure the traceability of the mussels. The digitalization of aquiculture and mussel farming through IoT enable companies to make database decisions, and for sure will produce cost savings through efficiency improvements and productivity increase. This digitalization is also important from a climate change point of view, because tracking the weather conditions in this changing environment is becoming critical to adapt the aquiculture activities to the actual conditions that are changes faster and faster every year. Our full system consists in a solar power sensor hub with 5G, IoT, LTM, and LoRa connectivity that can handle up to 7 different sensors, collecting a wide range of water condition data. All this data is sent to our cloud, called Gal Cloud, where we combine it with data from public sources and data from our app. So the goal here is to have as much data as we can from all these sources in order to detect correlations of weather, water conditions, and producers' activity that can help us to improve general productivity and assure product traceability. Our app, let me check if I can share a visualization of the app. Our app is quite simple. So you have first a login, as all the apps in the world. Well, once you are in, we collect all the data related to the activity of the producer, who's in charge, which is the ship, the full tripulation, the starting and end hours, And once you are here, you can select the raft, and the system compose the layout of the raft right on the fly. So this is a long line, but if you select another raft, the system will compose the layout of this particular raft and give you vision of the parameters measured by the sensor hub, if any. In this raft, of course, not all the raft need to have a sensor hub. For the app, each raft, as you can see, is a mini warehouse with different locations depending on the particular raft layout. So you only have to choose the process you want to perform. Here, for example, let's think we are going to move some seed from one raft to another. So as soon as you select the process, you can see the stock, the ropes with seed in every position, in every location of the raft. So you can start working and perform all the operations you want. Perhaps you want to collect 5 ropes from this raft. And you can go now to other ship or to other raft. Let's choose one random. And you want to put these 5 ropes here in this position, in this raft from the collector we have just got from the other raft. Now we have all the activities we have performed today. We can add some notes, we can get some pictures, whatever information, complementary information we want to get, and you press finalize, and that's it. It's that simple. And this app, of course, can be personalized for each customer and parameterized for other marine crops, such oyster, etc. And this info, all this aquaculture activity info, we got every day, together with all the rest of the info collected from our sensors and public sources, help us grow every day our Gal Cloud with more and more data to analyze and compose relevant information and automated alerts for the producer, as well as helping to understand the new fast changes, sea conditions environment. So that's all from our side. So thank you so much.